What if you could just tell your computer what you want to build and it writes the code for you? That is not science fictional anymore. It is called vibe coding, and it might change the way we program in future. Hello everyone, this is Dear Programmer, and in this video I will explain what vibe coding is, how it works, what people are excited about, and what the challenges it still has. By the end, you will understand why developers believe vibe coding could be the next big thing in software development. So, vibe coding is a new way of writing software where you don't focus on every details of the code. Instead, you will tell the AI like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, DeepSeek, and many other AIs what you want in plain English, and it generates the code for you. The word vibe here means the big picture or the overall goal of your project. You set the direction and AI handles the coding details. Let me give you an example. Normally, if you wanted to create a login page with email and password, you would need to write all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript or Flutter code yourself. By the vibe coding, you can just say create a login screen with email and password validation. The AI will write it for you. You will still need to check the code, make small changes and test it, but you don't have to type everything from scratch. Why is vibe coding so interesting? First, it saves a lot of time. Tasks that take hours can sometimes be done in minutes. Second, it makes coding less scary for programmers and beginners. You don't have to know every keyword or syntax. You can just describe your idea and AI will do your work. And third, for experienced developers, it will help the boring or repetitive tasks so they can focus on creative parts of the project. So it is kind of like having a smart assistant sitting next to you while you code. So how does vibe coding actually work? It uses something called large language model LLMs. They are AI systems trained on huge amounts of code and text from the internet. When you type a request, the AI predicts what code could match your instructions. It is like autocomplete but much more powerful. For example, you can say build me a quiz app with 5 questions and a score counter. The AI will generate a working structure for that app within minutes. Of course, it's not perfect, there are some problems too. AI can make mistakes or generates code that doesn't run. Sometimes code works but it is not optimized or secure. You still need to understand coding because to fix errors and guide the AI properly. So vibe coding doesn't replace programmers, it just helps them work faster and smarter. In the future, vibe coding could become very common. Instead of typing hundreds of lines, developers will spend more time designing, planning, and thinking about how apps should work. The AI will handle most of the heavy lifting, and developers will act more like a project director, setting the vibe and guiding the AI. So, to sum it up, vibe coding is a way of programming where you describe what you want and AI generates the code. It makes developer faster, easier, and more fun. But it still needs human skills to review and guide the work. What do you think? Will vibe coding replace traditional programming or just become another helpful tool? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos.